Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can change the interface language on Microsoft Copilot, Microsoft's very own AI-powered language model you may use, for example, to craft texts or to post questions and to get answers and so on and so forth. So let me show you how to do that, guys. As you can see, I'm on the homepage of Copilot here, and you may use Copilot, for instance, in English if that's your default language. However, if you'd like to change that, simply click on your profile icon here in the top right corner, provided of course you're logged in with your account. And after that, you will see that drop-down menu. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, click on language here and select your output language from that list below. So let me just switch from English, let's say, to any languages I speak. Let's say, I don't know, Dutch. I don't speak Dutch, to be honest, but that's how Microsoft Copilot would look like in Dutch. You see the interface now is in Dutch, so you can ask these follow-up questions or suggestions here on Dutch and so on and so forth. So let me switch back to English really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.